Hey everybody, this is Jacob with Cultivate Supply and cultivatesupply.com. Today we're going to go over one of our pieces for irrigation you can find on our website. This is the manual zone kit. So unlike the electrical zone kit, the manual zone kit has no power needed other than your pump. Basically, you're going to get this piece right here, which has a shut-off valve, real easy to open and shut. This is what will actually open and shut your water flow to your different zones. So for people that either are doing small projects, don't have the money to go electrical, or don't want to go electrical right now, the manual zone valve is perfect for you. It's going to go from your main water supply all the way to your table and your drip system. So let's start here. The first piece that we have here is going to go from your 1-inch water supply. This is a 1-inch T with a 3/4 inch female threaded piece on one side. So you're gonna go from your 1-inch water supply down and out through your globe valve. And in the kit, you get all the pieces here to connect all this, so you can really just plug and play. If you do wanna make pieces longer in between them, you could buy longer, or you could use longer pieces of PVC, but this kit will have the little pieces in there to get you from point A to point B. So once you go through your zone valve, you're gonna wanna go into your Arcal filter. We have some other videos below that have the Arcal filter set up in installation. This piece would go just in line with that. So from here, we're gonna screw that right into our Arcal, just like that. Then from the Arcal, we're gonna do another union, and this is gonna go straight to your table. So we'll screw this in here, just like that. So this will be coming off your wall. Turn it on, this is on, this is off. This will go down to your tray, and when you meet your tray, that's when you want to use this piece right here. It's an elbow to keep everything nice and flush. You'll go from this to the elbow. This piece sits nice and flush on the tray, goes through. You can plug all of your assemblies into this. If you have 25 feet, you'll use 25 feet. If you have 100 feet, you use 100 feet. At the end, you're always gonna use a shut-off valve. This makes it easier for cleaning as well as purging out the system if there's anything in it, any air bubbles, or it's not functioning properly. Like I said, all of these pieces come online together in our manual zone kit. You could buy as many as you want. If you have 100 zones, you would use 100 of these same kits. If you have 2 zones, you would just use 2. But we're giving you all the pieces you need so you can take it right out of the box and start installing. Super convenient and very helpful, especially if you have a long day of build out ahead of you. Make sure you have all your parts and pieces from the beginning so you're not stuck going to the hardware store time and time again. This was the manual zone kit. I am Jacob. For more videos like this, please make sure to follow our YouTube channel and check out other parts of the processes as well, as this is just one small piece of the things we sell at Cultivate. Until next time.